Yo, what is up guys, welcome back to the channel, and in this quick and short video I'm going to be showing you how you can turn on power saving mode on your Samsung phone. So the process is pretty straightforward and simple, so let's just get straight into it. The first thing that you want to do is you want to select your settings app. For me it is right over there. Find the settings app on your phone. Once you're on the settings page, you just want to scroll down till you get to the battery option. So let me find it here. It says battery and device care. That is the option that we're looking for, so tap on that. And then once you're on this page, you want to tap here where it says battery. You can see I got 2 days and 7 hours left of battery. So if I tap there where it says battery, you can see a toggle switch that says power saving mode, and you want to make sure that it looks like mine and that it is toggled to the right. So if it is off like that, that means power saving mode is not on. So make sure that you toggle it to that way, and then your power saving mode will be enabled. And you can actually see, if you can see it, it's very small at the top of my screen, but it has like a little battery there with a recycling icon in the middle, and that means it is in power saving mode. So if you see that icon, then you're good to go. So I hope this helped you out today. If it did, don't forget to drop a like onto this video and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.